Welcome back to Daytime Live. We are still buzzing. Okay, so back to the high bills that most of Jamaica has been experiencing from JPS. The Opposition People's National Party, PNP, is taking issue with the government's decision to allow Petrojam to add US $41 per barrel to ex-refinery prices so as to obtain increased margins. Now, in a statement this afternoon, spokesperson on energy, Philip Paulwell, said that he was flabbergasted at the admission of Energy Minister Favour Williams that the Petrojam Pricing Committee is currently adding US $41 a barrel to bump up refinery margins and profit.
So he argues that the profit of $41 to ex-refinery prices without objection from Williams is an indication that ministerial oversight of Petrojam continues to be a weak spot and is resulting in consumers paying extraordinary higher pump prices in an era of falling prices in the international market. Powell further contends that this adjustment has always been part of the Petrojam pricing to provide high refinery margins, but $41 is unconscionable, and explains why Jamaica consumers are still paying relatively high retail prices. He said in the Energy Minister's explanation that the additional amount is being done via variable market adjustment, and that this is unsatisfactory as the provision has always existed but never used to gouge consumers. Now, that sounds like a whole heap of big words, but
first of all, I would just like a very basic explanation as to what's going on. Because as far as I understand it, is that oil prices are at an all-time low, but they have been steadily falling for some time, for at least a year. We haven't seen the prices being reflected as consumers. We haven't seen that difference being reflected as consumers. So when I hear that there is an addition, when the rest of the world it's that me not get it. We need somebody to like just break it down to me and break it down to just the regular Jamaican. Because as to how I'm understanding it, this shouldn't be happening.
I don't want to break down. I don't want an explanation. I want the price and drop. Don't tell me why it not drop. It must drop. Must. Oil prices are what last time I heard oil prices were negative
$3.7. Wait, you know what that means? That means that they are paying you to take the oil from them, you know. Me I pay you for take the oil from me, you know. Normally you buying it from me, you know.
Me can't understand that, but even further than that, once anything you're making is a sum of the cost of the raw materials. If one raw material drop to below zero, you must be experiencing a profit. So everybody should assume.
But it has been falling. It's not just a one-off. It's not because of COVID that it has fallen.
It's obvious.
It has fallen below.
Nah, man.
It has reached negative, but it has been falling steadily for the past year or
I mean, I look for that price drop there, you know. But I have been. I look for it. I say, wait, hold on, clean the glass.
But I'm going to go to the gas station and say so. I mean, I look on it. I ask the attendant, like, it dropped? He said, no.
But you know, Sister JPS, I take with themselves quick.
One of my virgins in. One of my virgins. One of my virgins is a landlord. And the one called this one, messaged me this morning and said he has two tenants who are musicians, so they haven't been on the island since COVID.
Wow.
Man, them say the two man them JPS bill double and them not there. Him saying no no.
Think that happened to me already.
You can imagine that you're not there. Anyway, boy, listen.
I have to call and query.